General Atomics Aeronautical Systems Incorporated, GAASI, has announced continued progress in developing its YFQ 42A combat drone, confirming that the project remains on schedule within the U.S. Air Force's Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) initiative. The company's update comes alongside the Department of the Air Force's recent launch of ground-based testing operations. GASI further revealed that flight testing is projected to begin in the coming months, and that the aircraft will make its public debut at the Beale Air and Space Expo starting June 7. This event follows the official designation of Beale Air Force Base in California as the primary hub for the initial operational support squadron for the CCA fleet, signaling a pivotal moment in the shift toward more autonomous U.S. air power capabilities. The YFQ 42A, which features a sleek design including a top-mounted air intake, extended fuselage, twin V-tail configuration, and concealed internal weapon bays, has been engineered to integrate seamlessly with F-22 and F-35 fighter platforms. The drone is designed to carry AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles internally, enhancing its stealth characteristics while boosting mission capability in contested airspace. As one of the two drones selected for the first trial phase of the CCA program, alongside the YFQ 44A from Anduril Industries, the YFQ 42A holds the official prototype designation under the YFQ prefix. Its design draws from the earlier XQ 67A, a test platform developed under the Air Force Research Laboratory's Off-Board Sensing Station initiative. GASI's entry belongs to its broader Gambit line of drones, which prioritize modular software, extended mission duration, and close coordination with piloted aircraft. Ground tests now underway are focused on verifying the drone's propulsion systems, avionics integration, autonomy frameworks, and flight control technologies. These tests aim to identify and resolve engineering challenges ahead of the aircraft's anticipated first flight, likely to occur before 2026. The initial unit entered production in 2024, following a successful test flight of the XQ-67A demonstrator in February of the same year. The YFQ 42A plays a role within the wider Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) strategy, a long-term program aimed at preserving U.S. air superiority through a mix of manned and unmanned systems working in tandem. The drone is intended to function as a force multiplier, augmenting manned jets by carrying additional weapons, supporting electronic warfare operations, and conducting surveillance or data-gathering missions. Currently configured for traditional takeoff and landing, future versions of the platform may be modified to launch from non-traditional methods, including aerial deployment or launch systems that don't require a runway. A major innovation lies in its modular autonomy suite, which allows it to rapidly adapt to shifting combat scenarios, supporting the U.S. Air Force's Agile Combat Employment (ACE) doctrine, which prioritizes flexible and dispersed force structures. With a projected cost between $25 million and $30 million per unit, the YFQ 42A is significantly more affordable than piloted fighter aircraft, enabling broader deployment while minimizing risks. The Air Force plans to acquire up to 1,000 units under the CCA banner, using a model where two drones support each crewed fighter jet, boosting combat strength while lowering maintenance and personnel demands. Initially built for air-to-air engagements to extend the firepower of stealth jets, the drone may evolve to carry out precision strike, ISR, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare tasks in later versions. The YFQ 42's full-scale prototype was first showcased during the Air, Space and Cyber Conference in September 2024. Earlier that year, the Air Force selected 5 companies, General Atomics, Anduril, Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and Northrop Grumman, to compete in the CCA selection process. In April 2024, General Atomics and Anduril were chosen to move forward under Increment 1 testing, with final procurement decisions expected in fiscal year 2026. To support the initiative, Congress allocated around $8.9 billion for the CCA program through 2029. This includes a $557.1 million budget reallocation from the NGAD Manned Aircraft Program, which experienced delays in awarding contracts. In essence, the YFQ 42A represents a foundational shift in how the U.S. approaches combat aviation. With its stealth integration, versatile design, and future-ready capabilities, this next-generation drone marks a critical step toward building a more agile, autonomous, and scalable air combat force. Its upcoming appearance at Beale Air Force Base is poised to be a major milestone in unveiling the future of collaborative warfare in the skies.